It's Monday and it's time for another update. I encourage anybody to try this type of growing. It's awesome. I love it. It's fun. And I get to eat. My favorite part. Now that I cleaned the system, got it all assembled, added my 14 to 15 gallons of tap water to my reservoir. I let it aerate from 24 to 48 hours. Then added my nutrients and pH. So now we're ready to go. These are the sketchy water spinach seeds. It took a while for them to germinate. This is about 2 weeks in. Now this is the first time I'll be trying to grow these. I think the Asians call it choy, good for stir frying and for soups. Okay, a few people were asking me about the spacing in between the grow sites. So I'm gonna measure center to center. Center of one grow site to the center of the next grow site is about 6 inches. 6 inches. Center to center. Now you can spread these out because these are just held in by these screws. And you can remove the screws and spread these farther apart going this way for more room. But when you do that, make sure you got enough light coverage. I keep them tight because I grow in tiny spaces. Speaking of lighting, I did get some new lights courtesy of my wife. I guess she felt sorry for me. These lights were $50 each and they're 100 watts each, and they also have a dimmer switch. All I did was hang them on an old curtain rod that I have laying around, and they're awesome. The beauty about making a DIY hydroponic system, NFT system, is that you can make it as big as you want or you can make it as small as you want. Just remember, the bigger you go, the bigger reservoir you're gonna need, the bigger water pump you're gonna need, and more lights, you're gonna need more lights. So the bigger you go, it costs more, or you can make it as small as you want. For a window sill, for a sunny window somewhere in your kitchen. So there's really a lot you can do with an NFT or a cracky system or any type of hydroponic system. Sorry to say, but I did lose my cucumber plant. Details on the cucumber plant coming up in the next video. Let's check out the mini system. This is the giant noble spinach, and they're doing great.